Hello everyone and welcome to another Extreme Weather Videos forecast. My name is Joseph Pisani. As you can see here on our satellite imagery, we have a new system that we have coming out of the Colorado Rockies, and this is going to be our next big weather maker. We're going to be expecting some severe weather tomorrow across portions of the upper Midwest. And on the backside of this low pressure system, we're going to see quite a significant snowstorm as well. One that could potentially be bringing some pretty big snow totals, and we'll talk about that here in just a minute on today's video. Now, I also want to remind you guys, if you haven't seen, be sure to check out our latest videos on the recent tornado outbreak that we had. Here's a map actually showing all of the storm reports from the March 14th and March 15th tornado outbreak. Believe it or not, there were over 91 different tornado reports during these 2 days. This is definitely an outbreak for the record books. We saw multiple EF3 plus tornadoes. EF4 tornado is so far the strongest one in Diaz, Arkansas. Potentially that could get upgraded to a EF5. They're still doing some more survey on that, bringing some engineers out. Here's a look at that system that we're going to be seeing come in tomorrow and Thursday. So the potential for severe weather across portions of Illinois and Indiana, and on the back side of it, we're going to have quite a powerful snowmaker that is going to be moving across. Let's talk about the severe weather for this system tomorrow. So you can see here's the current map of the current hazards, and you can see those red areas there. That is the blizzard warnings that are already posted for portions of Nebraska into western and northwestern Iowa, all the way up into southeast Minnesota, and those winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories up in Wisconsin. We'll probably see some severe weather alerts through the day tomorrow across portions of Illinois and Indiana. So here's what we have on tap for tomorrow with the severe weather threat. We have a slight risk that the Storm Prediction Center has issued for tomorrow, Wednesday, across portions of Illinois and Indiana. This does include the metro areas of Chicago over to Indianapolis and down just north of Evansville. There's a marginal risk that you can see that expands further from that all the way down into the southeast, into Mississippi and Alabama. Could see some strong storms there. Not expecting to see too much in the way of significant severe weather, which is definitely good news to allow people down there to continue their storm recovery efforts. So tomorrow we do have a threat for tornadoes. This is the tornado probabilities, which you can see that we have a 2% risk, which does include places like Chicago, into Rockford, Illinois, Carbondale, much of northern and central Illinois, over into Indiana, and eastern Iowa. So can't rule out the threat of some tornadoes tomorrow. Don't discount these 2% tornado days, because we can definitely see tornadoes. These are going to be cold core storms, so we could have some cold core tornadoes with this system tomorrow, which would be rather unique. The hail threat and wind threat are a bit higher, so this is the wind threat that we have for tomorrow. Again, kind of coincides with that slight risk for severe weather across much of Illinois. And then here's that hail threat, again, a smaller area, but where we get some of those stronger storms, definitely could be some hail producers. Maybe hail up to nickel quarter size, definitely not out of the question tomorrow. And then on the backside, this is a big story, the snowstorm and those blizzard warnings that we've seen already posted there. And you can see some of these potential snowfall totals across portions of eastern Nebraska, northern Iowa, into southeastern Wisconsin. Looks like it does stay south, at least the heaviest totals stay south of the Minneapolis metro area, and then across slices of swath across central Wisconsin. So be sure to stay with us here at Extreme Weather Videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more weather updates, and we'll see you guys on our next video.